Welcome back. If you want strong abs, better balance, and powerful legs, this workout is for you. Your core is the center of your strength, and your legs are the foundation of your body. Train them right, stay consistent, and results will follow. So, without wasting any time. Let's get started. It's for six-pack abs, but it also gives balance and stability to the entire body. A strong core also improves every workout. So, to build abs, I am going to tell you some exercises that are very effective. The first exercise is planks. In this, you have to keep your elbows like this and keep your legs completely straight. And by doing this, you have to hold here for 30 to 40 seconds. And you have to do 3 sets of this. So, the next exercise is bicycle crunches. First, you have to lie down on your back and touch your elbow to the knee of the opposite leg. And at the same time, you have to keep moving your legs like you are riding a bicycle. For this exercise, you have to do 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. The third exercise is leg raises. In this, you have to lie down on your back and straighten your legs and slowly lift them up, but you do not have to touch the floor. In this way, you have to do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. So the third exercise is mountain climbers. You have to come into plank position. And just like climbing a mountain, you have to move your legs forward and backward, like running. You have to do this exercise for 30 to 40 seconds and do 3 sets. So, with these core exercises, your abs will start becoming visible very soon. So the next muscle is legs. If you train only your upper body and your legs remain weak, just like the foundation of a building is most important, in the same way, legs are the biggest muscles of the body. And if you do not train your legs, your body balance will be disturbed and growth may slow down because it also improves leg hormones, like testosterone, which is very important for muscle growth. So for legs, you can do squats. To do this, keep your legs slightly wide and keep your back completely straight. Then go down, make a 90-degree angle with your knees, and come back up. For squats, you have to do 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. So the second exercise is lunges. You have to keep one leg forward, then go down, and then come back up. For this exercise, you have to do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per leg. So the third exercise is jump squats. Just like you normally do squats, in this you have to jump while doing squats. For this also, you have to do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. And for lower legs, you can also do raises. To do leg raises, you have to lift your body using both your legs. In this way, you have to do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. So these were some of the most effective core and leg exercises that you can easily do to build strength, improve balance, and see visible results over time. Remember, consistency is the key. Follow proper form, stay disciplined, and combine these exercises with a good diet and enough rest. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more fitness and workout content. Also, let me know in the comments which muscle group you want to train next.